Why my mobile Wi-Fi hotspot not working on laptop? Yes, I am going to today tell you that why it's not working. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel, because you don't gonna like and subscribe after watching the video, because you're gonna check out your internet and enjoy videos. I'm going from how to do it. Today we're gonna let you know that why mobile hotspot not work on laptop or computer. First of all, I am going to the my mobile and go to the hotspot. Switch on the hotspot. If it's off, click on setup hotspot, and over there change the network name and add 5G there. Add 5G, and after that change the password according to your requirement. And after that, if you want to remove the password, you can remove. Anyone you want that anyone can use. Otherwise, click on save. But after saving, if you not get successful into it, just change the gigahertz. I am not changing right now. It's switched on. What we have to do? We have to go to our laptop or computer's Wi-Fi. Click over there and click on this one and click on connect. Add the password, and just in the second you will start using internet. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon. And don't forget to comment down below you get successful or not. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye for now.